So we've reached the end now of this short course, and I hope it's given you a good idea of how Karate works and how simple it is to write API automation tests. Now in this course we've really only scratched the surface of what's possible with Karate. This has just given you a really basic introduction, but hopefully it's shown you how simple it is to just get your framework set up and how quickly you can start writing tests. Hopefully it's given you a good place to start. So what would be a good idea if you wanted to continue exploring your karate journey? So I'd certainly recommend checking out the Karate Labs website here. Again, it gives you lots of different information on karate and particularly on the different testing types. If you head over to the Karate GitHub page, again, it's got very thorough documentation on karate and lots of different examples of, how the tool works and all the different configurations, lots of different ideas for the options that you can implement around here as well. One thing I would really recommend is looking at the different types of testing that karate can do. So for example, performance testing, mocking, etc. Again, however you're using APIs in your work or in your software development, you're probably going to have different use cases for what you want to achieve. So again, I would highly encourage you to explore the different types of testing that you can implement with karate. I've really found the performance testing that you can implement, particularly how you can take your existing karate tests and adapt them and modify them. I found that to be a really useful way to use karate. And again, that can really start to bring out the power of this framework. But I think the most important thing when it comes to learning karate or indeed any other type of test automation is just to get your hands dirty and practice. We've done a bit of that in this course and we've written out, quite a few different types of tests. But to continue on your journey, I would really highly encourage you to just find an API, maybe you have your own API or some other one, and just continue writing tests against that. That really is the best way to learn. Again, because karate has such a huge open source community, there's lots of people out there that are prepared to help you and that can give you advice and that you can liaise with and you can chat with if you're stuck on certain things or if you want advice. So again, I would just highly encourage you to become active, part of the community, start exploring and just start writing out your own test code. But I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for taking this short course. I hope you found it useful and I hope you've enjoyed taking it as much as I've enjoyed creating it. So thanks again and I wish you all the best on your journey to learning test automation with karate.